Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is George. Yeah, it was great to see all you folks last night. I just want to do a quick video for about 2 minutes. I know any longer than that, people won't want to watch it. The class, as I said, is from 6 p.m. to officially 8:15 p.m. I try to take breaks a little bit more often, and also for some of the meet and greet postings online, I find out that many of the students are really brand new to the U.S. tax system. So I think I will go ahead and slow the lectures down a bit so that I can maybe give a little bit more detailed information to the students so that really start from the fundamentals, because it's just a basic income tax class. So if you still have not done it yet, just go ahead and go to module for the discussion, the meet and greet, and just post something about yourself. Again, nothing personal, all right? There will be no quizzes for this time, and the homework is mainly just to read chapter one. And if you took notes, and just review your notes. The first quiz will come up in maybe 2 weeks' time, but I will let you know beforehand. And as I said, I will go over the questions with you beforehand the week before. So you should do okay. All right. So other than that, have a good week, good weekend, and I will see you next Wednesday night, promptly at 6 p.m. Okay. Bye now.